Welcome back to the channel. Agent from Yamatea Guns, bringing you guys another video. Hey, listen, got my CZ Shadow 2 full-size steel frame. I got 100 rounds through this bad boy. I want to go ahead and make that 200 rounds today. We're gonna go ahead and get some shooting on my Bluey. Love this beautiful steel frame handgun. I mean, that thing has about a 2.5, 3 pound trigger on single action. Now on double action is about 6.5, 7 pound trigger pull. However, we're gonna go ahead and do some shooting. Got my metal cylinder already there. It's an empty cylinder, has been cut on the bottom. It's open on top, it's nothing in it. Let's get some shooting done. I do have some quarters. These are the 9mm Lugger 115 grain full metal jacket. I also do have some Fiocchi range dynamic 9mm 124 grain full metal jacket. Let me go down and get my ears on. I already got the magazines loaded. The gun comes with 3 19-round magazines. They're already loaded with some hoarders, 115 grain full metal jacket. Let me go ahead and get the gun cocked, loaded, ready to go. Safe has been activated. I'm gonna put the gun down. I'm gonna set the camera up. We'll get the shooting, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. I do have the first 19 rounds in the magazine. I do have my cylinders set up about, I would say, 10 to 12 yards from here. Safe has been removed. Let's go ahead. It's been a little while since I shot this one, probably about a good week ago, the last time I shot it. So let's go put some rounds down the range. Damn it, man, I love this gun. I swear. This thing is so damn accurate. Straight out of the box. This is just iron sights, guys. Be on the lookout because I will be putting a green dot on this bad boy real soon. Hopefully I get a really nice one. I'm thinking about getting either a Styly Optic one or Salizi. Either one. I'm gonna check them out and see which one I like. Let's go. Woo-wee. This is some serious firepower, boy. Golly. So again, I have 100 rounds through it already. Gun is empty. That's 19. That's 119 rounds. We're gonna go ahead and make it a 200 round review today, baby. 200 rounds. That's right. I want to go ahead and get this up to at least 500 rounds. And I can pretty much tell you guys if it's one, that's definitely a go. So far, I'm loving everything about it. Boom. That thing is so goddamn smooth. Ooh, golly. Jesus. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and take a little water break and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Hey, you gotta stay hydrated. It's hot. You don't want to get dehydrated. That's a very bad feeling when your body giving up on you. Got this cocked, loaded, ready to go. Let's do some more shooting, baby. I would feel bad for the one that's receiving that ammo on their ass, because this gun accuracy is amazing. I didn't have to adjust anything on this gun at all, because this gun, the rear iron sight is only adjustable for windage, only up and down. That's it. I'm sorry, elevation, only up and down. That's it. And again, that front sight is literally right dead on the money. I mean, CZ did a great freaking job with this gun. That was me that pulled those two. We're trying to rush. Good God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was 3 19-round magazines. That's 57 rounds down. More to go. Let me get them loaded and I'll be right back. And I am back. I got all 3 rounds loaded, ready to go. Got 19 rounds here. Loaded. Got this cocked, loaded, ready to go. Let me just go and put it on save for now. So again, 19 rounds. I already got 157 rounds through it. Got a 19-round magazine loaded. Got another 19-round magazine loaded. And I got the last 5 on here. That would pretty much make the 200-round review for my Shadow, my CZ Shadow 2 full-size steel frame. And everything about this gun works for me. I don't think I have any kind of dislike on the gun. Well, except the double action trigger. That's the only thing. But I don't really shoot double action, so I'm not really worrying about that. Although I do feel like doing it, but I don't want to. I don't like it. But anyway, let's go ahead and put some more can't even talk. Some more rounds down the range. Yep, I'm in sight. Oh, safety up, Adrian. There you go. Yeah, got that concrete block. Got it, got it. Blew that thing to smithereens, baby. Got that thing blown the heck up. All right, there should only be 5 rounds in here, if I counted them correctly. There you go. All right, so these are gonna be the last 19 rounds to make it to 200 rounds review. And then we're gonna call this video a done deal and a success if all the rounds go through just fine, which I don't have any doubt. This gun is freaking amazing, straight out the box. And it doesn't really get that hot like other firearms do. I'm literally touching it right here. Safety on for all the goddamn YouTube Karens. Right here. I mean, it's warm, but not extremely hot. So, yeah, it works. All right, let's go. And there you go. 200 round review on my CZ Shadow 2 steel frame. Wow. Full size. Damn, I love this gun. It's just gonna take me a little getting used to, due to the fact that it's so damn heavy. But the weight, again, makes the gun so damn accurate. Straight out the box. Guys, listen. I'm trying to find negatives on this gun, but I can't. I mean, the weight makes it gorgeous. I've never shot the CZ Shadow 2 Compact or the CZ Shadow 2 Carry. I've never shot those. I believe those are aluminum frames. This one is pretty much steel frame. The whole thing is steel. So, yeah. Love the grip. You know what I mean? That grip angle. I mean, it feels natural on my hands compared to the Glock. You know what I mean? Which is a lot different. This one, just like once I get my hand right here into that beaver tail, it just feels natural. Like I could just aim this gun and just shoot, no problem, straight out the box. I think CZ did an amazing freaking job with this gun. I'm gonna see if I can find one of my buddies that probably have the CZ Shadow 2 Compact and the Carry. Maybe I could just shoot that one and see if I notice any difference or anything. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Like the video, share the video, comment below and let me know what you think about this beautiful piece. I would really appreciate that. My CZ Shadow 2 full-size steel frame is definitely a keeper and is a great pistol for home self-defense. If God forbid anyone wants to go out and be a dumbass and bring your ass and break into my house, don't do it. I don't think you're gonna be very happy. I don't think you will, because I'm not gonna ask you any questions, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna let you kiss that barrel. So hopefully it never happens, but you never know. There's a lot of bad people out here. Anyway, guys, don't forget, click on the bell notification, that way you never miss out on any single one of my videos. With that being said, thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for many more videos. You'll have a good one. Peace.